Hello everyone and welcome to Milestone Study. We are going to learn how to reschedule our Pearson test. So first you have to open this URL pearsonpte.com. Once you are there, all you need to do is sign in to your account. If you don't know how to sign into your account or how to create an account, I'll post another video. Let me know if you need one. So first thing is you gotta put your username here, whatever it is. Generally it is your email address or the one that you created when you signed up. And the next thing is the password. Remember, do not hit the password wrongly more than 5 times because it will lock your account. So whatever your account is, and then log in. So as you come to the dashboard, you can see that your test appointment, there's a reschedule button. You can click there and it'll show you some options of the test center and the dates that are available. Here we go. So if you are living in Kathmandu or wherever in the world, you can see the date and you click the date, you click the timing as per your wish, then book it. You don't need to make another payment because it has already been made. So you do the agree one and all set. You have to review your appointment. Click the proceed to checkout button. The original appointment was 7th June, but now you've rescheduled to 20th May, and then you click next. Almost there, just need to confirm. There we go. There's a confirm button which is not shown here due to some video resolution. So it's all done, and in email confirmation has been sent to you. And you don't need to do anything else. It's all set. When you go to your dashboard again, you will see that you refresh it, please, and then you see that it has been rescheduled to May 20th. I hope it helps. Thank you so much.